I am back here for another video. So, recently I've been getting comments on how to reverse using the Hori Racing Wheel Apex on GTA 5. Recently I made a video on the Hori Racing Wheel Apex and GTA 5. You'll see the photo on the video right now. And pretty much like I said, I've been getting lots of comments. So today I decided to show you certain functions and most importantly how to reverse using the Hori Racing Wheel Apex. It's pretty much to walk, you have to press on, you have to move to LS, right? And then here we are walking. Well, I'll just walk towards the car. Here's the car. To enter the car, you would have to press triangle, just like that. Let's wait for him to get in the car. And here we are, and we're just gonna be driving right now. It's kind of hard to drive and to drive and record at the same time. It's pretty much to accelerate. You would press on this pedal down here, on the right pedal, right? So you can see I'm driving. Excuse my awful driving. Okay, now see, to brake, you would press the left pedal right here, the left pedal right over here. Now to reverse, you have to hold on the left pedal, and as you can see here on the screen, we are reversing, and we just crashed. But pretty much, to accelerate, you use the right pedal. To brake and to back up, you press on the left pedal. And to access the map, just press options, press triangle, keep it on LS mode like that, and here we are, and you can use the map like this. Pretty much, guys, I hope this video helped you, especially on the people who asked on how to reverse. Pretty much, once again, the left pedal is to brake and to reverse. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. I really would appreciate this. And most importantly, guys, if you have any questions or concerns or anything, please write them in the comments below. I would be glad to help you. I'll try to help you to the best of my ability. And anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And see you in the next one.